Alright, so now we've got the little cheapy quad. It's a little dude. She's I call her the homing pigeon. She was one of the first quads that I actually put GPS on back before GPS rescue was actually even a thing. I just put GPS on it, try to find out how fast it was and how far away it was going and all that other good stuff. So that was kind of fun. I played, and now it actually comes out that it's actually worth something. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to see how this does. We're only at 5 satellites right now, so we're going to let her go just a skosh more. It's showing me that the battery is less than full. This might be a bit of a rough battery then. Tell you what, it is. There she goes. Now we can roll out. Now what I'm hoping to see is the potential differences, because this is a 5-inch quad. I am on bi-blades on this quad. So this technically should be the least vibration prone frame that I have as far as the HD video would go. So what I'm hoping is that what will happen, at least I hope, is that I'll see vibration in this one, but the rigid mounted to the 7-inch frame actually ends up being cleaner video. That would be an interesting that would be an interesting result, because if it's rigid mounted is better, then I've been doing these vibration isolators for abso-freaking-lutely nothing. And I've been, spent hours upon hours of design trying to get these mounts worked out so that I don't know what that is. That is definitely not the transmitter voltage, because the transmitter voltage is I got brand new batteries in this thing, so that is not transmitter voltage. I don't know what the warning is. It's not RSSI. It might be, maybe it's reading weird battery voltage from the quad itself. I'll have to go back and check those alarms. So let's get a couple little funky maneuvers here. Already at 15 volts. This is going to be a superlatively short flight. Because I'm already at 15 volts and we ain't even been in the air but a couple of minutes. But this is a 5-inch and I know it's going to be less efficient, so. And this is a cheapy video transmitter, by the way. This I think this one's like 12 bucks, but it's It'll theoretically run 800 milliwatt. Well, that's what it's advertised for. I doubt that's accurate. And yes, that is air conditioning water underneath the corner of the car. I am running the AC right now because it's probably about 85, maybe 90, I don't know. It's not that bad, but it's warm enough where if I was sitting in here with the windows rolled up and the sun beating down on a black car, you start to get a little warmish. Okay, 14.5 now. I'm going to get a little more out of it. Yeah, I think that's about all. So we're going to come in here, make a circle, and set her down. That is annoying as anything. What is that alarm? Okay, well, I'll figure it out. So, anyway, we'll discover what that alarm is, and then hopefully make it so that I ain't pissed about it no more.